The founder of an Instagram page with 10,000 organic followers, I decided to create a course to teach others how to start and grow Instagram pages, and teach you the things that work and the things that don't. Hi, I'm Abdullah. Welcome to my Instagram Masterclass, Growth Method for Marketing and Branding. I classify Instagram pages into three main categories. Number 1, personal pages. This is your Instagram page where you post mostly about yourself. The brand is you. Whether you're a celebrity or someone who posts just once every 6 months. Number 2, brand pages. This is basically the page of a brand. So instead of a person, the main focus is the product or the service of the brand. Number 3, theme pages. This is what I suggest starting. Personally, I've had success with my theme page. Theme pages are built around a hobby or interest in any topic. It could be sports, it could be quotes from your favorite books, it could be fashion trends, cars, piano, basically anything that involves interest and will likely to attract a certain type of audience. Theme pages can be monetized by selling affiliate products, merch, or shoutouts. Whether you're a brand or a person who wants to have more followers, or like me, you want to start a theme page, this is the perfect class for you. Please don't skip a class and watch the entire course. You can just sit back and relax. You can take the entire course in one day because you don't want to miss a detail that is crucially important for your Instagram marketing success. In this course, I'm going to focus on engagement as well as follower count. Remember, your follower count doesn't matter if your followers are not liking, commenting, or sharing your posts. If they skip your post and keep scrolling down, then they serve no purpose as followers. Most of the other Instagram classes are taught by teachers who don't even have 5K followers, so they're only based on theory and case studies. But in this course, I will walk you through my own page to teach you about analytics and insights and share my personal tips. I will help you define your goals, your purpose, and why do you want to have a strong presence on the Instagram sphere. Why is it so much important for you? Maybe you want to promote your product or services. Well, you'll figure all that out in the next few minutes. I will be teaching you key strategies to have the Instagram page of your dreams. And I promise you, if you follow every step and have consistency, you will make it. See, it took me 3 years to reach 10K followers, but I've learned things that no one could teach me along the way. My goal is to help you achieve more than that in a shorter amount of time and effort. I'd like to tell you, it's really good to be on this side of social media with a large following, with people caring about what you have to say, what you post, and what you sell. So without further ado, let's get started and I will see you in my class.